Everybody, so ayun ang prepare na ako ngayon kasi alis kami. We're going to watch the game or baseball game. Sama si Lourdes, asawa niya at yung asawa ko. So, naligo lang ako kahapon, so little bit, ano lang ako, you know, for myself. And then, yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear today. Alright, so, update you later guys when we going off to the game today. So, later again. Today I'm going to the baseball.
35 north. Yeah, you gotta get on. Well, we're gonna.
Street is the same as First time mo ba mag-watch ng baseball?
Huh?
First time mo manood ng baseball?
First time.
Nung una, hindi naman masyado ako sa Tagalan. Okay. Nung napanood ko, nung nakarami na akong nood. Nung bago pa, hindi pa. Kasi pag bago pa, di mo gets. Tapos naalala ko, ay nilalaro ko to sa bukid. Yung Shatong.
Yung Chanetas.
Kaya Shatong, yung kahoy.
Haman din na just.
Ganun yung allowance ko. Kaya sabi niya, ay alam mo, sabi ko, ay oo, kasi nalalaro ko na. So, nagigets ko yung pattern ng pagtakbo. Nung unang nood ko, first time. Go to the game.
No, we're all pitchers. Over there, you don't. There's another road.
To take the New Jersey 440 route to I-287.
Or maybe it was Bayshore.
Patriots baseball game. Grabe tao dyan eh. Punong-puno yung loob. Ready to game. Mag-umpisa na guys. So magpa-flag ceremony na. Kasama ko sila. Tapos na yung game guys, last inning na. So, ngayon, makikita panalo naman sila yung Pirates. So, nag-uwi yung dating puno, wala na naman. So, yun man update ko. Salamat. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Everybody, good evening. Today is June 1 ng gabi. Mag-alas 12 na. So, kapasok lang naman ng kwarto. Nakapag-empake na ako lahat. Empake ko na. Tapos yung isang luggage ko yun doon. Tapos yung disawa. So, this ay gaan. And, bukas day, it's our way back on the road drive going to New Hampshire. New Hampshire or New Hampshire. Basta. From New Jersey. So, today, nandito kami sa New Jersey and last night na namin today. Bukas na yung aming balik sa on the road. Balik na naman dahil sa driving, long drive. So, it took 7 hours might be. So, it depends if we're gonna maybe stop in New York. Kasi nadadaanan yung New York, Vermont, New Hampshire. O New Hampshire. Basta, maon na to. Maon na oh. So, ayun lang. And, it's been a long, and it's been a lot of things. I mean, a long day. Been 3 days. And, ano ba kami, 30, 31, 1. Ayun, 3 days and 3 nights. Diba? So, bukas, June 2. So, maga kami gising, back on the road, para magbiyahe going to New Hampshire. So, but before this end, this vlog, thank you again to my friend. Thank you so much, Lourdes.
nakakalimot. Thank you so much, Lourdes and Thomas or Tommy. Ayan, ito yung YouTube channel ni Lourdes. Please subscribe, guys. This is my friend. We're very close. We've been knowing for a long time. We've been for a long time. And we start from TikTok. And then we meet. So, I have my friend, Ate Juliet. Google New Hampshire, ito si Joanne. And then, si Lourdes. Ayan, 4 kami niyan, Jay. Mga magbebeshi. So, nagkita ko na sila. Namit ko na sila isa-isa. Napuntahan ko na sila isa-isa. So, anyway, si Joanne, namit ko lang siya sa Florida. Kasi may tita siya sa Florida. Yun. So, at least namit ko na silang lahat. Then, happy to meet you, girls, my friend. And always kayo ingat. We miss you guys. Thank you so much sa accommodation, sa masarap na food, sa, ayun, lahat kayo na pinuntahan ko, pinakain nyo kami ng maayos. Diba? So, thank you so much sa inyo. Hanggang dito na lang muna. And, yun, cherish the memories. I hope to see you back again. Tayo, magkita-kita tayo ulit, diba? Good to see you and nice to see you. Thank you so much also, Rose. Thank you sa pagpunta dito sa bahay ni Lourdes para makita kami, mamit ako, magkabanding tayo. Sulit naman yun kahit sobrang liit ng tingin doon, Day. Maliit talaga ako, pandak ako, Day. Lahat sila malalaki, Day. Sabihin na lang natin ang liit ko, diba? Yun. So, but anyway, that's a very little thanks only. It doesn't matter to me and no problem with that. Yes, maliit ako. But well, thank you so much, Rose, also. Diba? Sa pag-visit mo dito. Then, nakapag-banding tayo. Thank you. And bye sa inyo. Thank you so much sa inyo. Namit ko na kayo, my friends. Baka pwede na ako mag-flight na. Kaya nakita pa na kaya. Joke lang. Yun. Tomorrow again, see you guys going to New Hampshire. Bye. Good night. Be kind. Yeah. I like the king crabs.
They gave you some.
Welcome to New York. We're already in New York boundary. Very Madonna.
You wore them yesterday, didn't you? How long?
Power from up the hill.
This is her drive.
Pag nag-snow dito, nakakatakot, slippery. Hi dear! Dito kami sa Maggie May Diner in the jungle. Ano? Golf course. Jungle yung restaurant na puntahan namin. Dinner date tayo. Yun naman yung view tayo. Nasa jungle tayo. Ganda. First time ko kumain ng ganito tapos ganito yung ano mo golf course. Ganda. And dinner na to.
Read that back.
Breakfast
So
and
I've
lunch.
got 8626 9 Echo Echo 032202.
It's what kind of flavor?
There you go. Don't put too much.
Good. Yeah.
5 hours going to New Hampshire. Water. Oh. We're Port of Albany. Dahil malapit na kami lumabas dahil pumuntang Vermont. So, Albany na to. Layo-layo, paguro na. Bye! We're in Troy, New York. Tapos lang namin sa Albany. Dito kami sa kabila dahil. So, this is one of the big
Looking for
city.
Canal Ave.
I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't be like picking up my phone. Leave a message at the tone. But today I swear I'm not doing anything.
You get it?
Yeah,
You get it?
yeah. Thank you.
Now you're in Vermont.
Welcome to Vermont.
You're in Vermont again.
Yay! Another state unlocked. Dito naman ako last time. Pero balik ulit tayo guys. Scroll over going to New Hampshire. In downtown Bennington, Vermont. We're in Green Mountain National Forest. Maganda na naman to. We have another forest to go.
Look at other girls. I wanna dance. You wanna sing. Oh, yeah. There's another. Navy Sea Breeze Bridge. This is cool.
Yeah.
That's the sign right there.
Okay. Wow.
I think it's,
That was quick.
yeah. I think
Yeah,
that's
New
it.
Hampshire.
Welcome to- You got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Put stickers all over it. Well, we made it to New Hampshire.
We made it. Another state. Okay. 1 hour 40 minutes left. Hotel na kami. Hello, New Hampshire. It's my anxiety. Nakarating na rin kami. Thank you, Lord. Oh, look at the sunset. Ang ganda. Ito yung ano namin dito dahil yung view mula sa hotel. Safe, and nakarating na kami dito dahil sa New Hampshire. We're already in the hotel. So, tomorrow ulit, update ko kayo. Pagod na kami dahil kasi sabi na umaga kami umalis ng New Jersey. Nakarating kami dito dahil 7 o'clock. Sakto talaga, umalis kami doon 7 o'clock talaga. Nakarating kami 7 o'clock. So, maybe mga naka 2 hours yata kami ng stopover din. Sa tutusin lang, 7 hours talagang biyahe. Pero syempre kumain pa kami, nagtap kami, ihi kami. Tuloy-tuloy dahil mapakamatay. So, ayun yung update natin. Tomorrow date. See you there sa Rochester Ben sa laro sa baseball. Hello, good morning everybody. Today is June 3. We're here in New Hampshire for 2 days already. We've been here yesterday hapon. So, nag-drive kami from New Jersey, New York, Vermont, and New Hampshire. Makarating kami dito. After 12 hours to drive kami na over here. So, 2 days, another day. So, may game kami later and lalabas kami kasi nagugutom ng mga person. So, that's my outfit today. So, ayun. Later ulit. Labas na kami. Kain muna kami. Let's go! Hindi na ako nagpag-update mula kanina sa hotel. So, today, we're already here in the game in New Hampshire. We're still here. Pansin kasi may pimples ako. So, don't worry about that. So, ayan. Dito na kami dahil marami ng tao. Malawak yung stadium nila dito. So this is the game tonight. Then tomorrow we're going to drive Albany, New York. And syempre, doon kami magstay. I think we have one game there and then uwi na kami, which is sa 5. So we end up balik to Florida and then we stay maybe 3 days. We're going to Nashville. That, this morning, we've been there, stay there in the hotel. I think they're free ticket, but they stay in the hotel. It's more expensive. But people here, all of us here have a ticket just to watch the game today. Base hit.
Mediterranean Rock participated in Operation Colorado, a Canyon, in response to the dictator Muhammad Gaddafi's sponsorship of terrorism against the United States. The operation saw U.S. naval aircraft and Air Force fighter jets across Gaddafi's claimed flag of death in the Gulf of Sinai to destroy terrorist strongholds in Libya. Ron was awarded a sea service ribbon for his sea service time while aboard naval vessels. Let's hear it for Ronald Walker Fletcher, Jr., and his son of the U.S. Navy. Thank you for your service.
We're training them to get the bat. The bat dog. Instead of a bat boy.
Double score! Yes, we hit again! Woohoo! Fisher Cats! Yes! Got scored again! Yan yung score ngayon. In the meantime, that is look at that!
Escola Middle School.
Double play! They won! Woo! Chicken tender runs! Woo! Bye! Tomorrow naman opening! Let's go! Today's pa tayo dito. Bye! Here in the diner, our dinner tonight. So